In this video, I will continue line-wise explanation of the chapter 100 Days a Second. When Peggy and Maddie reached to the house of Wanda Petronsky, which was situated at the top of the Bogin Heights, there was not a sign of life about the house. The house was silent, very quiet. There was no sign there was no symbol that anybody was inside of the house. The house was very quiet and calm, very silent. Peggy knocked firmly on the door. Peggy went to the door of the house and she knocked very loudly, very firmly at the door of that house. But there was no answer. She was knocking again and again at the door, but no one was responding from inside of the house. She and Maddie went around to the back yard and knocked there. First, Peggy and Maddie knocked at the front door, and when they did not get any response, then Peggy and Maddie went to the backyard of the house. At the backyard also there was a door, and Peggy and Maddie knocked at the backyard door. Still there was no answer, and Peggy and Maddie did not get any answer from the front door, and when they went to the backyard door of that house, they knocked loudly at the backyard of the door, but they did not get any response from inside of the house. There was no doubt about it, and Petronsky's were gone. When Peggy and Maddie did not get any response from inside of the house, no one answered, then they were sure that Wanda Petronsky's family had left the Bogin Heights, had gone from the Bogin Heights. How could they ever make amends? Make amends means to show that one is sorry for doing something good. And they wanted to make amends, the exact meaning, make improvement. Amend means here improvement. Peggy and Maddie wanted to improve their mistakes by saying sorry to Wanda Petronsky, but they did not find Wanda Petronsky and her family in the Bogin Heights. So how could they improve their mistakes? It was a question before Peggy and Maddie. They turned slowly and made their way back down the hill. When they were sure that Wanda's family had left the Bogin Heights, then slowly, being disappointed, they started moving from the up of the Bogin Heights towards downwards, because Bogin Heights was situated at the top of the hill, and when they were returning, they were coming back from the top of the hill, and they were looking very disappointed and depressed when they were returning without finding Wanda Petronsky at the Bogin Heights. Well, anyway, said Peggy, she is gone now, so what can we do? And Peggy was saying to herself, and while returning she was thinking in her mind that now what can she could do? She could do nothing. She could not say sorry to Wanda Petronsky because she had left the Bogin Heights, but she was feeling sorry for not meeting Wanda Petronsky. Besides means in addition to, इसके अतिरिक्त, when I was asking her about all her dresses, she probably was getting good ideas for her drawings. And now what another thing Peggy was thinking in her mind when she was returning from the Bogin Heights? she was thinking that when she was asking questions related to her dresses, how many dresses she had, then her questions used to give her some new ideas to make the new drawings. So she was thinking that she did not hurt her feeling, but indirectly she has helped her in making new drawings by asking questions. Thus she was trying to hide her negative things by thinking it positive. Really, at that time when she was asking questions from Brenda Petronsky, how many dresses she had, how many shoes she had, at that time she was making fun of her, but now she was thinking positively about her doings. Peggy was thinking that her questions used to give her some new ideas to make new drawings. She might not even have won the contest otherwise. And she was also thinking, if Peggy would not have asked funny questions to her regarding her dresses, then she would not have got the new ideas to make new drawings, and she would not have been able to win the dresses contest. Thus she was trying to hide her doings in positive way. Really, she was feeling sorry, she was repenting, but she was taking them in positive way. She was trying to prove herself correct by giving the correct argument. What argument Peggy had given to make herself correct, to prove herself correct? First she said that now she had gone, what could she do? Then she said that her questions used to give her new ideas to make new drawings. If she had not asked questions regarding her dresses, then she would not have win the drawing contest. Thus Peggy was trying to prove herself correct.